What's the crack, lads, and welcome back to another horror game. So today we have a game called Midnight Snack. So the whole purpose of this is that you're wandering around like a forest. It's in a first person mode of a microwave. It sounds very odd. Let's get into it. Let's give this stuff a go. Hello. Lately I've been waking up in the dead of night, haunted by the same recurring dream. What is a dream of a microwave? I'm so hungry. Of course you are. Heat something up in the microwave. Lovely. So how does this work? Wait, what? Oh! Okay. Oh, this is odd. No, no. Okay, this is going to be a wee bit difficult. Go forward. Lovely. Now, let's just... This is so odd. Walk forward, walk forward, walk forward. I need to walk forward a little more. Fuck off. Alright. What is going on here? Oh, I've gone too far forward. Right into... Stop moving. Oh, Jesus Christ. This hallway is going to be the end of me. Now, you can screw off. Nope. Where are we on? Oh, there we go. Let's walk forward now. We are walking into the wall. Let's walk out. This is so odd. And we are out into the dark of night. Okay. Why do we need to walk outside to go to a microwave? Wait, what's that? Is that a pizza or something? Why am I walking in the forest? What is that? Can I not look down? What's it? Oh, I can't even like grab it. There's just a random box of random chocolate box. What is happening? Oh, I'm gonna bash into that rock. Never mind. Right. Where the fuck are we going? I'm just gonna continue following the light. Just for the sake of myself. Oh, there's rocks. Oh, this is gonna be bloody annoying. Just keep walking. There we go. Almost there, fella. Almost there. Okay, now where is the next checkpoint? Is that bones? What? Wait, where am I? Oh, there. Oh, I do not like the look of that now. Let's just wind it all the way up. I'm gonna oh, of course there's a fucking tree trunk in front of me. Of course. What is that? By the way, I am sweating today. Like, genuinely, like... Despite the amount of deodorant I've been putting on, what's happened to that lamppost? Despite the amount of deodorant and like how cloudy it is outside today, I'm sweating the arse off. Let's just walk forward even more. Come on. I like the fact that I'm not in the fucking forest, at least, and there's blood everywhere. I'm probably like, yeah, I can probably wind it up a lot more than I think. Well, ooh, this is gonna take some time, won't it? Well, that's enlightening. I'm on a drop, haven't I? Hello? What the? Are we back to the chocolate? Yeah. I'm just gonna keep on walking on. Is that an? That was very. Why is that? So, why did that happen so quick? Are those lungs or something? My character walks so slow. Are those body parts? There's something glowing red in the distance there. That is an organ. Yeah, because that looks bloody like insightful, doesn't it? That's a nice sight. A red light. Not exactly what you like to see. Oh jeez, I'm going to be a human sacrifice. I'm going to be a bloody human sacrifice here. I'm the next sacrifice. I can bloody feel it. There's living organs. Well, there's organs, there's knives and portraits and stuff. Actually, yeah, I'd rather go to that other light. Something wicked this way. Huh? I'm gonna walk right into that tree. Someone's walking towards me. What? Oh! I'm in the light. You can't come towards me. I'm in the light. What am I supposed to do? Wait, I died. What was I supposed to do? Well, what on earth was I supposed to do there? Retry this. I'm all the way back here again. You're actually having a laugh. Right, I'm going to skip forward to the point in time. Alright, well, back in the hallway anyway. It takes forever. This is actually going to take me forever. Like, considering I'm getting chased by what looks like a dinosaur. So, I'm assuming, do I have to walk that way? I'm trying to still think, do I have to walk that way I went? Or is there somewhere else I can go? I think what I need to do is just do it bit by bit, because like I was doing it very long, so unless like I just need to make myself turn quicker and just move, because that thing is moving slow enough for me to try and like be quick. And so the fact that I'm more creeped out of this red light when that other light was where the thing came from is fucking mental. Right, just walk over here. Now the thing was left, so could I go right instead? Why can't I have to go this way? Right, so go, go. Go, 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 go. I need to figure out where to go though. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go because I honestly don't know where I have to go. There. Keep going. Oh my god, I'm late. I can hear. Oh, I'm gonna walk into that tree. No. Go forward. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god. Fuck, I've screwed myself. Go! Hit the lamppost if you have to. Go! There's the microwave! Go, the thing's right on my arse. We're good. Jesus, that was way more stressful than I thought. Brilliant. Midnight snack is a living organ. Reach the kitchen. Oh, what the fuck was this game? Like, I choose the most stupid games. Yeah, that is Midnight Snack. I have no idea what to think about with this game. That is one of the oddest games I've played in a while. It is very different. 100%. Very, very different. Give credit where it's due. You know, I'm here playing it and I'm here putting it out on the internet for people to see. Let me know what you guys think about it. Leave a like and subscribe for more horror games coming your way. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.